What's up, everybody? I hope you guys are doing well, and I hope you're having a fantastic day. Now, with this recent slump in the Amazon Influencer Program, I have had a lot of time to sit down and think about some things that I would do differently or some things that I would recommend to a beginner in this program. Now, hang on. If you are not a beginner in this program, if you're a seasoned pro, this video is also going to be for you as well, because I'm going to show you some of these mistakes and how you may be doing it as a pro, or how you may be doing it and not even realizing it. So this video can still offer some advice to you, so please stick around. Do not go anywhere just yet. But if you are a new person or if you're a beginner in this program, then I think this video could be very useful for you. Now, I have made a video similar to this in the past, but this is the new improved June 2023 edition, so please stick around and check out this video. So what's up, everybody? My name is Mercedes Gomez. If you're new to this channel, we talk all about the Amazon Influencer Program and other side hustles that I'm trying out, or other things that I could offer that could help you out. Because on this channel, we are all looking to quit our 9-to-5 job and eventually become financially free. In this current moment in time, starting off 2023, we are all about the Amazon Influencer Program. So I really talk about that a lot on this channel, and that's like one of my main topics at this point. So the Amazon Influencer Program is a great program that's a great side hustle to start, and it offers so many benefits. But in this current time, we are experiencing a little slump in the program, but don't worry, I think it's just a slump, and I think we're going to be getting over that hump here in just a little bit. So I wanted to make this video because I'm seeing a lot of comments of a lot of new people entering this program and just starting off. So this video is going to be over some beginner mistakes, or some mistakes that you should avoid if you're new to this program. And I'm going to add my little twist to it because I know there's a lot of people here that are already in the program. And so I'm going to have a little twist here to relate and to make this video for you as well. So let's get straight into this video, starting off with number 1. I'm gonna start number 1 off on a banger. This is my favorite tip of this video, and I'm gonna go ahead and give it to you right off the bat. So number 1 is gonna be, do not limit your product reviews to a specific category or specific categories. Now, when you are starting this program, you might think that you need to pick a niche, or you might think that you need to pick a specific category and only make reviews in that category. Well, this is completely wrong. I'm going to tell you exactly why you should not do this and why you should be reviewing a wide range of products. The first reason that I would suggest against this is because you don't know what category you're gonna sell a lot in. There are people that specialize in electronic reviews. There are people that specialize in like accessories and women's clothing and men's clothing. There are people that do specialize in specific categories, but they had to find that out on their own. You should not just pick a category and stick to it. As a beginner, I would strongly suggest just posting as many categories as you can and as many things as you have from around the home. You don't know what videos of yours are gonna stick, what videos Amazon is gonna promote for you, and you don't know what category is gonna do well for you. So do not pick a niche right off the bat, and just post everything and anything that you can possibly review. Another reason that focusing on a specific niche or specific categories can really hurt you is if you just have a lot of products in one specific category, you're gonna limit yourself to just that commission percent, and maybe it's a low one. Maybe the category is like electronics and it's only like a 2% commission rate. If you limit yourself there, you're not gonna be able to take advantage of the higher commission categories and all the other commissions that you could possibly bring in by reviewing a wide range of products. Trust me on this. When I first started the program, I definitely thought it would be a lot better to market myself as like, the person that reviews women's clothing, or the person that reviews women accessories. But in the grand scheme of things, you just want to review everything and anything that you have from around your home without having to go out and spend a ton of money. I will bring that up in my next tip, but on this one, I'm just telling you to just don't limit yourself and review as much categories as possible. Now, for you Amazon pros, those Amazon influencer pros, those people that have been in the program for a long time, Let me elaborate on this just a little bit for you. If you're somebody that just picked the 4% commission categories and you're just focusing on those things because it's bringing you in the most commission and you feel like you can make the most money there, something that you need to really think about is, what if Amazon removes that category altogether? What if they get rid of commissions in that category and you can no longer make commissions by reviewing those products? Then you are screwed. So this is a good reason, and the main reason why you need to make sure that you're reviewing a wide range of products and keeping your options open and your categories open. Even though some categories only bring in a small percentage of commission, it's still good to focus on those, because you never know when Amazon may switch up the commission percentage or remove commission categories altogether. So keeping yourself spread evenly and doing all different kinds of product reviews is going to benefit you in the long run. Now, number 2 of things that I would avoid, or mistakes that you may make as a beginner, is spending too much money on purchasing products. Now, this is a big one, because like I said in my first tip, if you're focusing on a specific niche, you may run out of products really quickly. But my suggestion to you is to review everything and anything you have around your home, your friend's home, your other family relatives' homes, and everyone's homes that you can possibly get into. This will really help you spread your reviews out amongst different categories and make sure you're bringing in commissions all across the board. You don't want to focus on just one, like I said in my first tip. And so by buying more things, you're really wasting money that you could be saving. This is a great side hustle because there's little to zero startup cost involved. But when you start thinking of buying products and reinvesting your money so quickly in the beginning, then you're going to be used to that, and you're going to continue to buy products that you don't need to. Another thing is, when I first started off and I purchased products, I thought I knew what I was doing. I thought I was buying the best products to review, when in actuality I wasn't, because I was still very ignorant into the program and I didn't know what I was doing. So buying products really early on is not a good idea. Another reason that this is not a good idea is because you're not going to get paid from this until 2 months later. So if you're brand new in this program and you see that you're making $10 a day, $50 a day, and then you start spending that, it's gonna be 2 months before you see that money actually come in. And I have seen people get caught in a bind because they're spending way more money than they should. So as good practice, I would highly recommend that you don't purchase any products in the beginning and you just take advantage of what you already have. After a few weeks in the program, you will see Amazon sellers reaching out to you and willing to give you products for free. And you can take advantage of that as well. So there's really no need to purchase products in the onset of your Amazon influencer journey. So for my Amazon Influencer Pros, this is for you. Now, if you are somebody that's already reviewed a lot, you're already been in this program a long time, you're already taking free products from other Amazon sellers, then have you ever reached out to people that you want products from? Have you ever reached out to Amazon sellers and asked them if they would give you the product for free in exchange for a video? Well, if not, this is for you, because this is a big mistake that you could be making. There are expensive products. There are products that you may want for your home that you could simply reach out to the seller, ask them if they would give you the product for free in exchange for a video, and you might be shocked at the answer that you receive. There are going to be people who tell you no, there will be, but if after a few no's, I'm sure you will come across 1 or 2 yeses. I reached out to a ton of sellers before I got a yes, but when I did, I was shocked. You will be shocked at how many people will actually send you a product for free in exchange for a review. So instead of just pulling out your wallet and making a purchase right off the bat, I would highly recommend reaching out and seeing if you can get that product for free. My third tip for you, or my third mistake that you may be making as a beginner, is gonna be to not overthink your equipment. As somebody new into the program, or just as somebody new starting a business, it's very common for you to wanna buy all the best and greatest, accessories, equipment, everything that you think you may need. But let me tell you that as a beginner, there are a ton of people that are just simply using an iPhone, even as pros, even as people who are in this program for months, if not years. They are still simply making videos off of their phone. So I really would not recommend that you go out and buy an expensive camera, a 4K camera, the best equipment, a microphone, editing software, a laptop, all of that stuff. Do not overcomplicate it. You can make very good commission with just simply your iPhone or a computer that you already have. And in fact, sometimes the smartphone video is even better than 4K video. Just vertical videos from your iPhone can be better than horizontal edited 4K video. So I would really just get your feet wet, get in the program, and start making commission and content before you go off and buy anything. For you seasoned pros, for those people that are in the program for a very long time, I could see how you want to reinvest and you want to get a camera and you want to get all the best equipment. But like that saying goes, why fix something that's broken, right? So if you're simply going out to buy a new camera, new equipment just for the Amazon Influencer program, I would kind of advise against it. If you're somebody that really wants that new camera, how about you start a YouTube channel? How about you start another side hustle and then make that camera purchase? Make it a little bit more worthwhile for you, because I don't see why a 4K camera that's $1,000+ is worth it for somebody who's just in the Amazon Influencer program when you can be making videos with your smartphone. So like I said, if you want to go and dabble into something else, that would be my best advice. Give yourself some motivation. Say, when I start that YouTube channel, or if I start that YouTube channel alongside the Amazon Influencer program, I will go get better equipment, right? Or maybe it's not YouTube you want to do. Maybe you want to do Amazon live streams. Maybe you want to do YouTube live streams. Maybe you want to do TikTok Shop. There's so many different options out there for you, but I would not recommend just getting a camera for the Amazon Influencer program. Even if you're thinking of it as like, oh, I can make a review off of this camera can generate me great commission. There's only 6 videos allowed on product review pages, and I'm telling you, going on for a really expensive camera is going to be very competitive and difficult. There's a lot of electronic influencers out there that specialize in electronics and make really good videos. So I'm not saying you're not going to get on product pages, but I'm just saying that that's not a great reason to go out and buy an expensive camera. Mistake number 4 that I'm coming across and that I really thought about is being inconsistent. You really do not want to be inconsistent or get lazy with the Amazon Influencer program. I found the best way to approach this is to set yourself a goal. Set yourself a goal on how many videos you want to produce each and every day or each and every week, and make sure you hit that goal for days or weeks on, for like months. So if you tell yourself you want to do 15 videos a day, set that goal, set the tone in the beginning, and you will make 15 videos every day for 2 to 4 months. I promise you, because I did that. And it did work, but it did cause me a little bit of burnout. So just set yourself a pretty reasonable goal and stay consistent. Because if you start off being lazy and then you start seeing commission, then you're gonna kind of slowly ease off the gas and you're gonna think you don't have to make any more videos. One big thing that I noticed when I first started was a lot of people had 500+ videos and they were making a decent commission. So right off the bat, as a new Amazon influencer, I knew I needed to be up there at the 500+ videos with the big boys in order to be making good money. So as somebody new, you really want to push out quantity, and so by staying consistent, it's really going to help you. Now, for you people who have been in the program for a really long time, this is for you. Now, it's very easy to slow down, to take your foot off the gas and start being inconsistent with your content. The people that I see that are being very successful in this program are the people that are continuing to put out quantity of videos, high quantity of videos. They're pushing out content on a consistent basis. And I will be completely honest with you. I think I burned myself out by doing 15, videos a day when I first started. So I have noticed that I've put a stop to posting videos and I've been really behind lately. The best way to approach this program and to make the most commission is by continuing to push videos out, because that way you will have new videos hitting product pages every day, because every day you're posting consistent content. But I understand life hits you, life gets to you, and when you start making like 200+ a day, you really don't think you have to make any more videos. But this causes a bad habit, and I'm in the middle of that. So make sure you're consistent even as a pro, and that's gonna be the best way to maximize your commission. My fifth and final mistake that I see beginners make, or that I do not want you to make and I want you to avoid, is comparison. By you comparing yourselves to others, you're really gonna see negative results. This can really break you in the program. There are so many people in this program, there are so many products to review, and no two people are reviewing the same thing. In fact, if two people were reviewing the same thing, their commissions would be different. And that's because Amazon's the one that puts our product or our videos on product pages. So no two people in this program are the same. Therefore, you should not be comparing yourself, because this is just gonna get you down and this is just gonna cause you to stop doing the program. We have to remember why we started this program in the first place, and it was simply as a side hustle. Therefore, any money we make in this program is more beneficial and better than making nothing. So if you're making less than somebody else, just take it as a learning opportunity. Approach them and ask them what they're doing that maybe you can incorporate into your Amazon review videos or your program. But don't let it get you down, and don't let it stop you in this program. I see a lot of people that think this program is dying, that this program is dead, or that they should stop making videos and just move on to something else. Well, if that's the case, you can do that, but I would highly suggest against it. This is just a slump that we're in. People's commissions are, always changing, and Amazon is always making changes to the program. So the best way to stay ahead of the curve is continuing to put out content and just believe in the program and let it keep going. Keep making videos and keep working on yourself. The best thing to do is add in other side hustles so all your eggs are not in the Amazon influencer program in case something happens. But I definitely don't think this is something that you should just ignore and leave, because you may regret it in the future. So just simply don't compare, and that will keep you from going down this negative spiral of thoughts, and just keep moving forward. So guys, I hope this video was very informative and good for beginner Amazon influencers and pro Amazon influencers. I really tried to tailor this video to apply to both of you, because I know we have a wide audience here on this channel. So I really hope you could take something from it, and I hope that your Amazon influencer commissions start to increase. I'm hoping the same thing is going for me. So let's just put positive vibes out in this world, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night. So please guys, make sure you like this video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. I'm posting at least 2 times a week. I'm really trying, guys. There's a lot going on, and it's really hard to stay on top of so many different things, and I will have a video on that soon. I did see your comment about posting a video on how do I do that. So a lot of good things coming. So you guys have a great day or a great night, and I will see you very soon. Bye.